Guys, I want to remind you about building embedding tools so that you can strip media content like YouTube videos onto your desktop. So the first thing you have to know is that you have to be in Firefox because Firefox has the best tools to do that. So what you need to do is after you go to Firefox and you open it up, and yes, you have it on your computer, it's going to be in your applications folder if you have not been using it. And I only use Firefox for this purpose and this purpose only. So I'm going to go to search. I'm going to type in Mozilla add-ons. And Mozilla is the name of the company that makes Firefox. So when I do that, I can go to Mozilla add-ons for Firefox. And as you notice, it's going to make me look them up. So I'm going to go to search add-ons. I'm going to type in video download. Now if you look at these, there's a whole bunch of them. And you're going to want to install multiple ones because sometimes one will work and others will not. So you kind of got to run through the gamut when you're trying to do this and just keep trying and not give up. So I'm going to recommend that you download this one. So you're going to click download and install for each one of these. I would recommend that you use this one, the one-click Dailymotion. Download, install it. YouTube Video Downloader and Convert, and Flash Video Downloader. Notice that there's all kinds. You can find Instagram and Vine. Those, you could specify downloaders for certain content, but you can also try this. YouTube download. You can grab this one and this one. Now, if you get too many, of course, you kind of overdo it, but you get the feeling. You can see where you have to go to. I mean, download some stuff and give it a shot, okay? So after you embed them, you're going to have all these extensions, right? So when you go to see a video, and I'm going to actually find videos, and I'm going to pick short ones. The longer the video, the longer it takes, of course, to download. I'm going to find one in YouTube. Here's a cute kitten compilation. And I'm going to watch it to see if it's what I want, because that's part of the game. But what's important is that I'm going to actually go to YouTube. Why? Because I don't want my downloaders to be confused. I want them to see clearly what we're going to download. You want to skip past any ads there might be. And if this video is what I want, notice that my download tools are activated. They're going to be colored. So if you look at this one, for example, this one's activated. It's in color. This one's activated. This one's activated. See, it's got my different audio subtitles. This one's activated. And this one's activated. So I'm going to try my first one. I'm going to click on this. And it's going to show me the formats. So I can actually download in MP4 format. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me to my desktop. It's going to tell me, I'm going to go look and make sure what extension I'm getting. It's going to download in an MP4, which is playable in QuickTime. It's what I want. And so when I click Save, see how it starts a little timer right here? It says that it's going to take a minute to download this video. So while this is playing and downloading, I'm going to show you two other tools you could use. One is called CC Clip Converter. And that works the same way as an online. Again, I can paste my URL here. I can choose my format, hit continue, and download it. I will also try this one. It's called KeepVid. And again, I can go to the site, paste in my URL, and download. So things that I want you to note, though, that while the things are downloaded, and by the way, it must be done because here it is. So here's my video that I just downloaded on my desktop. And now it's ready to be uploaded and used within any project I might have. The thing I want to show you that's really, really critical, anything that you download, that video, you need to save the URL for, because that content must be documented for you to use it fairly. Because we're using this for education, we're not selling any of this product. We can definitely, let me pull this up again. I want my video, oops, I'm in the wrong browser, folks. So this video, it's on YouTube, right? I'm going to turn it off here. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to go down to the let's go to my share option. I'm going to save the URL as this video because I'm going to come back later if I use it, and I'm going to make an MLA citation for that video. That's going to be part of my end credits. Otherwise, I can't use this video. Very, very important. So that's it, guys, as far as stripping content, as far as streaming video from the internet. Talk to you later.